Thank you to everyone who's been sending me comments and emails about castor oil, about my latest episode about castor oil. So the one thing that I just wanted to make clear with everyone is that castor oil is really amazing. It's very potent, so it tends to absorb whatever is around it. And it has ricinoleic acid, which is a property that, as far as I know, allows the oil to permeate through the skin. What's very important to note, though, is to mix castor oil with a carrier oil or an essential oil. Don't put it pure on your face, because that's, at least from my experience and from those that have contacted me, those that used pure castor oil on their skin, especially on the face, never mind the arms, had some allergic reactions. Not everyone, though, a very, very small percentage. So you don't want to take that risk. I have always been mixing it with jojoba oil. On my face, I only tried putting castor oil pure once. And because it was so sticky, I had to look for carrier oil. Since then, I use a carrier oil. And that's why I only can talk about the benefits of castor oil, because it has done wonders for my skin. So as they say, if the system isn't broken, don't fix it. I've always been using castor oil with jojoba oil. I haven't tried the other essential oils. I do have a PDF where I talked about the different carrier oils that you can mix with castor oil to produce the best results. And if you need that PDF, by all means, email me, wishuponapond@gmail.com, and I will share with you that PDF. I like doing research because it's also beneficial to me. Before I put anything on my skin, you know, our skin will absorb anything you put on there. But I would always do research, ask around, ask my doctor, ask the pharmacist, because you know, it's hard when our skin gets damaged. We take care of it a lot. Like, I'm 62 years old. I cannot take any further risks, right? So we take care of it a lot. And then if it's damaged because of one try, and sometimes it'll be very hard. Like when I used the ordinary 1% squalane, I had breakouts. 5 breakouts in 3 days. And they say, oh, purging is going to happen. It'll take months. No, I'm not taking that risk. Never mind. I'm not going to go through purging. I mean, we want our skin to be good and to look good and to be clear, especially during our age. So we cannot take any further risks. So this is very quick. This is an impromptu, another message. I was actually getting ready for a filming, but otherwise I thought I should talk about this because I had another email, and it was from someone, but not about allergies, but they had this pain, or a relative had pain somewhere and it never healed, and they saw my video about castor oil healing me from my injury, my pain and paralysis from a rotor cuff injury I sustained in 2004, and it's been coming back since 2016. And overnight, my castor oil just healed my pain. Never went for therapy, nothing like that. It just healed. And I talked about that because anything good I share. I love to share. But if there are warnings or there are red alerts, oh my gosh, I'll be on there too and sharing it with you. By the way, I've been talking. This was supposed to be a YouTube short, 1 minute. I think it's running at, see, I've been talking for like 4 minutes now, so I may as well. My name is Jackie D. Welcome to my channel. My goal is to help you find your better version, to make you feel good about yourself, whether it's through self-care, mental health, physical hair, self-esteem, skincare, fashion, beauty, makeup, dressing up, looking good, posture, anything that contributes to our self-esteem. That's where I come in. That's where I come in. So I thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Hit that like button and let me know if it has helped you. If you've had any questions or problems using castor oil, share it with me, because my goal is to spread information around without disclosing your private information so that people can learn from you, learn from us. And feel free to follow me on my social media platforms. I have Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. And if you haven't followed me yet, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that when I come up with a video, you're right there, and the information I'll be sharing just might be important for you. Thanks so much for watching. This has been a very, very impromptu episode, but I love it. I love impromptu episodes because they come from the heart. You are fabulous, and you deserve every beautiful thing happening in this life. So you take care. Bye for now.